Let's grow your email list by 100 new subscribers using a lead magnet. So how do you create a powerful lead magnet during your pre-launch so that you actually have a list of subscribers to launch to when you're ready to sell out your program? So here's what you need to do. Solve a specific problem always. For example, let's say you're a home organizer. There is an infinite list of specific problems you can solve. How to organize my desk drawer, my pantry, my bathroom, my linen cabinet. Step 2 in creating a powerful lead magnet is to prioritize consumption, a quick win, and a new problem, which probably means that a 30-page ebook is not the best idea. Instead, choose something very actionable. The great thing about a quick win is it usually creates a new next level problem. For example, if I give you a hook template, you then need to be able to write the rest of the post. For better results, make it a reusable resource that keeps you top of mind. For example, I've had people tell me that they reuse my hook templates every single day. That keeps me top of mind for them, and often those people become my clients. When creating your lead magnet, you can choose from several different formats. PDFs, checklists, templates, planners, audio files, and checklists all make great formats. Once you've chosen your lead magnet, it's important that you name it something enticing so that people actually want to sign up for it, like cheat sheet, hack, or blueprint. Be specific with your title. Who's it for and what will they gain from it? Focus on the outcome. What will your target audience achieve with your lead magnet? Then it's time to promote your lead magnet. You'll definitely want a landing page where people can enter their name and email address in exchange for your free offer. For the copy or words on the page, you really only need a catchy headline, who it's for, the major benefit of the offer, and a call to action to register. If you have a website, you can also add this to the footer, throughout any blog content, or as a pop-up. Now that you have it all set up, here's how to promote it. For Facebook and LinkedIn, add it to your timeline or cover photo with a link in the caption. Add the link to your About section. Regularly create posts with calls to action to get your lead magnet and talk about it on your videos. On Facebook and Instagram, you can add it to your stories with a link sticker to get the lead magnet. On Instagram, you can turn that story into a highlight and refer to it in your posts. You can also add it to your link in bio on Instagram and send people there to download your freebie. But my favorite way to grow your list during your pre-launch with your lead magnet is through collaboration. Collaborations are the best way to get new email subscribers. The best collaborations are with people who serve the same audience in different ways. For example, since I help coaches and experts with copy, I often collaborate with sales coaches, business coaches, web developers, graphic designers, or virtual assistants. We all serve the same audience, but in very different ways. So I'll give trainings exclusively for their clients and share my lead magnet, or I'll do Facebook Lives with them or Instagram collaborations and share my lead magnet that way. Through this, I get in front of their audience, which is full of my ideal clients, and I use my lead magnet to collect their name and email addresses. Another pretty good collaboration partner would be someone who serves a similar audience or who has audience overlap with mine, but serves them in a different way. For example, a business coach for health coaches has a lot of overlap with my audience, so we make pretty good collaboration partners. Finally, you may even get some benefit from collaborating with friends or colleagues who have different audiences, but may have a few people in their audience who are ideal clients for you. Now, all of this will help you gain subscribers during your pre-launch so that you have a list to launch to. But if you want to supercharge those results, I recommend hosting a list building event. Like a lead magnet, it's still an offer. Only this offer is for a live virtual event instead of a PDF or an audio file or something like that. Even though it's a virtual event, you still ask for registration ahead of time, just like you would for similar events if you were taking a head count. You get their name and email address and host the event on video. People love this because it's the closest thing to being in person. They will see your face, hear your voice, and get to know your coaching style. Plus, attendees are often more likely to implement because they've invested a significant amount of time in showing up and hearing you speak. And you'll get an opportunity to interact with them and build a relationship. That's why these kind of virtual events often have a higher conversion rate into buyers than other types of lead magnets. And they're excellent list builders in your pre-launch. Types of events are a masterclass where you're mostly teaching or training, a workshop which includes some teaching but also implies an interactive component, or a challenge where you give specific action steps and ask people to accomplish them in a certain amount of time. You can host these events in a Facebook group, on Zoom, or in another webinar platform. You could even do them in person if you like. The important thing is to start growing your email list during your pre-launch phase so you can reap the rewards during your launch. And if you want my ultimate guide to your pre-launch strategy, click now to watch the video.